Now we will see the similarity and right angle triangle. Now suppose this is a right angle triangle A, B and C, and this is 90 degree, and from here I draw a perpendicular to the hypotenuse. So what is happening now over here? You are getting if this is 90, by linear pair this is also 90. So right now you are having three triangles which are all right angle triangle. One is triangle ABC, this is a right angle triangle. Then you are having triangle AB, let me name this as D, this is also right angle triangle, and triangle BDC. Now this theorem states that if you draw a perpendicular from the right angle triangle to the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, then all the three triangles are mutually similar to each other. That means three triangles all are similar to each other. So one by one we will see the pair. Let us first see the bigger triangle ABC, that is this triangle ABC, full big one, and we will consider the smaller triangle ABD, ये वाला ABD. Okay. Now see that both of them are having one angle 90 degree. In ABC, angle B is 90, and in ABD, angle D is 90. So one angle is 90, 90, that is same. And if you see this angle A is common to both the triangles. This angle A is there in ABC also, and this triangle A is there in ABD also. So the triangle ABC, the bigger one, and the one in yellow, that is ABD, they are having two angles same. That is one, that 90 degree one, and one angle A. So these both are similar by AA test of similarity. You have studied in the first chapter. So by AA test you get these two triangles similar. Now what we will do? Now we will take the same bigger triangle, that is ABC, but now we will take the smaller triangle, that is this DBC. Take this triangle. Now the big triangle ABC and the smaller triangle, again you see that both have one angle 90 degree. In the big one angle B is 90, in the smaller one angle D is 90. And this angle C is common to both of them. So that is why by AA test of similarity, you get ABC and ABD also similar. So what do we get? We get that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD, and we get triangle ABC, the same triangle, is similar to triangle BDC also. So from 1 and 2 what you can do? What you can say, now ABD is similar to this, BDC is similar to this only. That means these from 1 and 2 we can write that triangle ABD is similar to triangle BDC. Okay. So this is your similarity and right angle triangles. All the three triangles are similar to each other. First we will show one smaller one similar to big, second smaller one bigger, similar to the big one, and both the smaller then similar to each other. Then you have very important property, that is theorem of geometric mean. Theorem of geometric mean. Now what does this mean? I'll explain you. If this is a triangle ABC and we draw a perpendicular from the right angle to the hypotenuse, say we will call it as D, then BD is known as the geometric mean. BD is known as the geometric mean, and it can be proved that BD is equal to root of AD into DC. that is BD is equal to, or we can say BD square is equal to AD into DC. See, look carefully, this BD. This is equal to the product, the square is equal to the product of this and this one. This part. Okay. AD, DC. So, what can you finally write in this? We can finally write that when you write for BD, BD will be equal to root of AD into DC. So it is known as geometric mean. BD is the geometric mean and this is equal to the product of DC and AD. Means the perpendicular from the right angle divides the hypotenuse into two parts. One is this and one is this. And it is equal to the root of product of these two parts. BD is equal to root of AD into DC. This is the theorem of geometric mean